Hi guys, welcome back to the review of the Paralenz Vaquita Part 2. So a couple of things I need to tell you that come with it that wasn't in the last video is the charging cable, a clip to attach other attachments to, and a hand lanyard. Okay, so I'm going to attach this to the bottom of my Paralenz Vaquita. So there is like a rubbery bit here, and then there's like two hook-on clips there. Okay, so I want to get that bit onto the bottom. Okay. And then I want this coming over the left side, so obviously the lens is there. I want this coming over the left hand side, so that's where I want it. And then it's not easy. Okay, so it's easier to clip on this side first. There we go. That wasn't easy. Now I can slide this up and down, not too much. Probably want it more where it is now because it's centralized to be balanced. Okay, pull tight, and then that holds that in place. So it's got two water contacts there that will do your depth correction. This isn't actually touching it, it's sitting over the top. But off of it, and that's your wood contacts. So yeah, a couple of things I got extra with it. I got some SD cards, two of them, takes up to 128 gig. I also got the lens cover to protect it, that'll be handy. Simple little rubber cap. And then finally I got the mask mount to go on my scuba mask. I'll do its own review for this.